Hello, this is Alexey. I continue to publish video tutorials and reviews. If this video will be useful to you, please subscribe to my channel and click on the like button under this video. In this way, you will help other users to find necessary information and my channel will be run better. All links from the video can be found in the description below. In previous free video tutorials, we create website on Joomla 4 from scratch. We use only free extensions. The result was a business website which was uploaded to the hosting. The previously recorded video tutorials for Joomla 4 are almost completely relevant for the current version of Joomla 5.3. The video information in this video tutorial remains relevant for Joomla 4 as well. At least this is true on August 29, 2025. In the previous video tutorial, we configured custom fields and update Joomla. In this video, we will work with inventory, tax and calculation rules, reviews and ratings, and user registration. I'll remind you that here we have our product, we can add it to the cart, and here is one more, and so on. Let's go to VirtueMart. Here in Products we have Inventory. As you can remember, I'll open the product list in new tab. Here is our products, here product status, here we have in stock, and here we can see our products and in stock quantity. So if I'll change it, for example like this, updating the page, and we can see the in stock number was changed. But if we go here, nothing happens here. In previous video tutorial we already saw these options. Here actions when a product is out of stock. We can change some option, for example, do not display products. Let's go to our shop. Here 10 products in stock, and that will be 0. We'll update it and we can see the product is out of stock. Update the page and we won't see the dress number 1. Let's change some settings. For example, display notify me instead add to cart button. Update it. Here we can see notify me, and also here we can see notify me, not add to cart. Also we can change product is out of stock are audible and the field availability below is displayed. We can change availability field, for example like this. Update the page. Let's go here and we can see this image. If we open this image, we can see the path. As you remember, this is our folder with our XAMPP server. Let's go to htdocs. Then go to components, VirtueMart, assets, images, and here in availability folder we can see these images. You can change them, you can add some, and after you save this page, just click save, you will see new images here. So just let's ignore this option. Here I'll add something like this. Update the page. Here we can also see weight column. Let's add some data here. You can add this data, and in the future, when you will configure shipment methods, you can calculate cost of shipment methods based on product weight. So let's update the page here. Now we can see some data here, but it's not so important in this case. It's much more important when you configure shipment methods. So just know if you want to calculate shipment cost on weight, you need to add data here for each product. The next section I want to show you is tax and calculation rules. These features is better to use with shopper groups. With shopper groups we will work in next video tutorials, but now I just want to show you how to create some calculation rules. There are a lot of options, but I'll show you just some of them. For example, it will be what? It will be published. It will be plus 20%. You can select category to apply this calculation rule, country, shopper group, manufacturer, start data and end data. In my case, I won't change anything, just click Save. Here we can see $200, update the page, and now we can see $240. So let's go here, and here we can see the cost price and final price. If I'll select here, for example, girls, update the page, and we can see it's just for girls here, and if I'll disable it, the price for girls will be changed. So just know how to use it. You can create as many tax rules as you want and configure it as you want. Let's go to the woman again. Let's see our first dress, and we can see the price is with rules. The next section is reviews and ratings. As you remember, here we can see rating, here we can see reviews, here in configuration on Shopfront tab we can see shop and review system. And now let's enable review system for registered users. Update the page. We cannot add any reviews, so we need to add a login page here. For this purpose, let's go to users. How to work with users you can learn from my previous video tutorial. Here in options we need to allow user registration. Just for testing purpose I won't send mail to administrator. New user account activation none. Okay, let's go to menus, main menu. Let's create new menu item. How to work with menu items you can learn from my previous video tutorial. Just click here, go to users and create, for example, just login form. I'll call it login. Let's save it. Let's update the page. Here we can see login. Don't have an account yet. Okay. Let's register. I'll add just some test data and click register. As you can see, I'll log in. Let's go to woman dress 1, and here in reviews we can see this field. Let's add some review and just click submit review. Here is my review. As you can see, I cannot add rating. Why? Here, enable rating system. Here is shopper who bought the product, and now just let's enable to register users. Also, I strongly recommend you to publish auto review disable, and let's add another review. For example, let's go here to women's dress 2. Here we can see rating, and let's submit the review. Now we won't see the review here. Why? To see it, the administrator need to go here, products, review and ratings. Here we can see unpublished review. We can go to product, or just go here, select it and publish it. Also, of course, we can change the text here. If I'll update the page, I won't see any rating here, but I will see review here with rating. Why? Here I need to go once more, review and rating, and publish this item, the rating. Now let's update the page and we can see our rating here. In the next video tutorial, we will continue creating an online store on VirtueMart and Joomla. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, this is Alexey, see you soon in new tutorials.